Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can flip and rotate your video in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to CapCut and we're going to practice how we can flip and rotate this video. So the first thing you have to do is clicking on the clip like this until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the edit option. So this is the edit option, tap on it, and if you want to flip your video you can simply click on mirror like this, and if you want to rotate your video you can click on rotate. Then you can tap on the rotate option until you get the position that you want, or you can simply use both of your fingers to rotate the clips like this. You can drag it to the position that you want, and don't forget to use both of your fingers. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can flip and rotate our videos in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.